Hey everyone, how are you guys doing today? I am Aline and today I'm here to talk to everyone who is listening about the Quietum Plus. So if you guys have any hearing problems that you would like to treat using only natural remedies, then you came to the correct video. So today I will be sharing with you everything you need to know about Quietum Plus. So just make sure you guys watch this video until the very end. Hopefully all your doubts and questions will be answered, all right? Now, I will be leaving Quietum Plus's official website here below this video in the description box. You guys can go to that link after you finished watching this video, get to know so much more about the Quietum Plus over there, read other people's feedbacks if you want to have more confidence in it, and so much more, all right? So don't forget that I left the official website for you guys just here. Now, as I was saying, Quietum Plus is a dietary supplement that was formulated to treat hearing problems, including conditions such as tinnitus. So basically, when taken consistently, the supplement improves cognitive processes, allowing them to become faster while supporting hearing, reducing stress, and providing a healthy inflammatory response to brain tissues. I'm pretty sure you guys are well aware of what tinnitus is, right? Tinnitus is that really annoying buzzing sound that you may have in your ear that sometimes it's really low or high, as I should say. But yes, it's that annoying buzzing sound in your ear. And if you do have other related hearing problems such as bad hearing or loss of hearing, Quietum Plus can be a really great solution. So Quietum Plus is absorbed by your central nervous system, and it works by improving the hearing and also enriching brain cells. So in addition, the supplement improves the functionings of the hearing system and reduces the effects of hearing loss, which is really great. So this supplement has 4 main steps that it goes through. And what's really great about the Quietum Plus as well is seeing every ingredient that contains in it is natural, which are things like herbs, plant extracts, vitamins, minerals, those things. It means that Quietum Plus has no side effects and no contradictions. I mean, it is completely safe for you to use. Also, let me just tell you that if you are scared about using Quietum Plus because you might be thinking what if I purchase it and I have no results? I just lost my money. Guys, Quietum Plus will help you guys out because it gives you a 60-day money-back guarantee. So you have 60 days to test out Quietum Plus, and for any reasons at all, if you are unhappy with it, you're not satisfied, or you couldn't adapt to taking Quietum Plus every single day, you can just go back to the official website and ask for a refund. The support team will be really glad in helping you guys out, getting all of your money back, all right? So just remember, Quietum Plus is a natural supplement, and you need to remember to use it every single day until you finish your treatment, and be patient with your results. They take time, but they do come, all right? Guys, if you would like to know more about Quietum Plus, don't forget the official website is just here waiting for you guys. In the meantime, thank you so much for watching this video. I hope you have enjoyed it. If you still are having doubts or questions, leave them in the comments below and we'll get back at you. Have a great day. See you next time. Bye.